Hey everybody, happy Friday. Welcome to Earth Science. Today we are going to finally put all that information we've been learning over the past few weeks and use it to disprove this piece of misinformation that we've been looking at since we started the unit. The idea that because it was unusually cold one day and it was so cold there was a snowstorm, that must mean global warming is fake, because otherwise it wouldn't be that cold. We now have learned enough science background knowledge that we are fully equipped to prove that man is lying to you. So to recap, we first learned about what weather was, we then learned about what climate was, and then we compared the two to see how both can be similar, but both are importantly different. So today, all I'm going to do is kind of talk about the assignment a little bit, go through the directions, and then the rest of today is your work time. So let's get started taking a look at what we got to do. Okay, so when you open Google Classroom and click on the assignment, this is what you're going to see. First part gives you the directions, the claim that we've been disproving, and then the first thing you have to do is this Disproving Misinformation checklist. This is just like, you don't have to write about incomplete sentences, just kind of short notes form, where all you need to do is just basically, this is making sure that you have all the science background knowledge you need in order to disprove the claim. So the answers to most of this, if you don't know it off the top of your head, just go back and look at old work. Additionally, these last two are optional. So if you do everything right but skip those, you can still get a 3. But if you want to go for a 4, you got to do those last bits. If you want more details about how to answer those questions, there's going to be an extra video later that you can click on. All right. The next part is the directions for what you actually have to do. So in order to disprove this claim up here, you have 3 options. Option number 1 is you can write a paragraph. There's an SPO, but that's optional if you don't want to do it. The second option is you can make a PowerPoint or Google Slides presentation. And the third option is you could record a video. All of those will be graded equally. One is not worth more points than the other. So just pick whichever one you want to do. And if you want to see an example of what a level 4 paragraph would look like, you can click here or just scroll down to the bottom. And this whole page is an example of what a level 4 would look like, both for the misinformation checklist and for what the paragraph would look like. This second part down here, this is the level 4 optional part that goes with the last 2 boxes. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but you need to if you want to go for a 4. So again, that's what a good paragraph would look like using a different example. Additionally, if you want to know what a level 4 PowerPoint or Google Slides presentation would look at, if you click this link, you'll get to this document right here, which is the same idea. It's just showing you what a level 4 PowerPoint would look like. And you can feel free to click through that, read it on your own to give you a better idea. So that is all you need to know to be ready to do this disprove that piece of misinformation, prove that senator is a liar. However, if you want a little extra help, click the link for this optional video and I'll explain how I did that exemplar a little more in case you need that. Good luck. Let us know if you need any help. Bye, everybody.